Good morning, caller. This is your Insurance Connection.
Good morning, Don. It's Christine Bernard.
Hey, Christine. Hey, Christine. How are you today?
I'm doing fabulous. How are you, Don?
Oh, good. I'm glad you called because my voice is a little scratchy. So you can help me hydrate.
Let's see if I can help you out a little bit.
Yeah, help me out a little bit. You take it away. You got it.
Good morning, everyone. This is Christine Bernard with Everything Legal. I am a paralegal with 40 years experience, and I have a document preparation business. We help you with your last will and testament, your living will, your medical and financial power of attorney. We also can assist you with having someone added to your deeds to keep you out of probate. And we can also do LLCs if you would like to form a business and get started with that. I am also available to be your registered agent. I will get your EIN number from the IRS and help you put your business together. I can be reached at 702-430-2240. Again, that is 702-430-2240. For those of you that would like to check out my website, take a peek at us at www.everything-legal.com.
Thank you so much for that, Christine. And when you say you help a person out with their business, you're talking about a person that's getting ready to do a startup business?
Correct.
Okay.
They need to form their business entity documents with the Secretary of State. Mm-hmm. They need to get an EIN number so that they can open up bank accounts and start applying for business credit.
Okay. Well, that's good because I have a customer for you right after this call. Right after the show, I'll call you, and so someone is getting ready to start a business. My daughter's getting ready to start a business, and she needs a little help with the information that you just provided. I'm glad you said that because she's getting ready to start her restaurant, and I'm really proud of her, and she needs a little guidance with it. I told her a few things, but things have changed since I started my business. I've owned 3 businesses, very successful businesses, and I still own one today. And it's good to know that you offer these services, and this is why you come on the air to help our listeners better understand. This is all about information. Education.
Yes.
We only get it right here at Power 88, and it's well documented that 88 is a station that has helped many of us throughout our years here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and it's definitely helped me, and I know it's going to help our listeners and take advantage of it. Give them your phone number.
Yes, it's 702-430-2240. That's 702-430-2240.
And also, so our listeners will know, you also are a traveling notary. Right?
Yes, I am a traveling notary. I will come to you or come close to you to make it easy. And especially for our seniors, I try to make it as convenient for them as I can if they are unable to get out.
Right, and that's a valuable asset when you can come to a person, to take care of their whatever it is they need to notarize. I mean, and especially if you have a loved one that has dementia, Alzheimer's, you need to have a power of attorney over that individual because you may have to sign important documents. You may have to make decisions for that individual. So if you have a loved one out there that's suffering from Alzheimer's, dementia, Christine is a person to contact for that power of attorney. And how important is that?
It is extremely important. Another thing that goes along with that, Don, is we need to make sure that we have a living will. Mm-hmm. A living will give us the ability to decide how we want to be cared for when it comes to the time that we can't care for ourselves. A lot of people neglect the living will, and they end up in places that they wish that they were not. Right. Some people would rather be at home. Some people want to go to hospice care or senior living care. But if you don't put it in writing, the person that's the caregiver will not know what you want, and you will end up being where they want you to be.
Right. And also, too, along with that, your services also provide, if a person receives a speeding ticket and they have not paid for it or made arrangements with the courts, you can help them reduce that speeding ticket down possibly to a parking ticket. That's because if you get a speeding ticket, it is going to affect your car insurance rates when your renewal come up.
Yes, I don't handle them personally, but I will put them in touch with the person that handles those tickets for us.
Well, real quick, and before you go, when a person comes to me and let's say they go through the courts and the courts say, okay, we're going to reduce your speeding ticket down to a parking ticket. However, when I run their driving record to quote them car insurance, those tickets come up. What other additional step do they have to make when they go through the courts themselves so that speeding ticket will go away?
They have to go back and pull up the record. There obviously was something that wasn't handled in a timely manner. Something may not have gotten signed to keep it from being on the record. The attorney can go back and get that rectified.
Okay, good. Because there's times when people come to me and I run their driving record and I say, you have a speeding ticket. And they say, you must have put that in there. I say, how am I supposed to know you have a speeding ticket? No, we went to court and, they reduced it down to a parking ticket. But here it is right here. So it does affect Go ahead.
If they didn't follow up to make sure that the court reduced it, they have to go back through the process. And if they'll have some type of document that proves that it was reduced, I'm sure that the court would rectify that.
All right.
But if you don't check, it won't happen.
Right. And see, and when your auto policy renews, it will affect the rates. Thank you so much, Christene, for coming on the show. And now my voice is back.
You're welcome, John. Take it away.
I was a little scratchy for throat this morning, but I'm hydrated now. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Thank you for having me. All right. Bye-bye.
Always. All right. That's Christene Bernard, Everything Legal. She's a traveling notary. And she can get your POA, wills, and then also she can put a right of survivor, on your deed of your home. My name is Don Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. My number is 702-236-2624.